So here is the Leadpages tutorial for beginners. Leadpages is a SaaS platform that helps businesses create landing pages and websites. The goal is to generate leads and increase conversion rates. So first of all, let's head over to leadpages.com, and on the top here, you can see all of these options. Let's start off by going to pricing. On this page, you can see all the plans that they offer, starting with Standard, Pro, and Conversion. On the top here, you can set it as monthly or yearly. That way, you will get to see the different rates. Now, let's go to the main page, and on the top right, you have Login or Sign Up. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up for free. But since I already have an account, I will click on Login. After that, just put in your email address and then type in your password. Then click on Login. And as you can see, we're now in the dashboard of Leadpages. On the left here, you can see all of these sections that you can navigate to. And over here, we have all of these sections to jumpstart your success. You can click on Get Started or skip if you want. Let's click on Get Started over here. And as you can see, you get this welcome message. You can click on this play button in order to watch the video and learn more about Leadpages Builder Intro. And on the right, you have your performance metrics. You can set it as 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. Then, you have the recently updated section. Lastly, we have latest leads collected. Now, let's go to the left panel and select Landing Pages over here. You can click on Create a Page in order to create your first page. Then, you'll be taken to the landing page templates. On the left panel, you can go through and use these options to filter through the templates. You can also select a page type from all of these options available. So go through them and select the one that you're looking for. You can also go over to the style section if you're looking for a certain style. Then you can set it by color as well. Now, let's go over to page type and select one from the options available. As an example, I will go with Event. And here, you will get to see all the templates available related to event. If you want a preview, just click on Preview. After that, you'll be able to select Desktop View or Mobile View. Then, just scroll through and you'll get to see a live preview of the template that you just selected. This way, you can find exactly what you're looking for. Once done, just click on Use this template on the top right. After that, you will be taken to the editor. But first, you need to put in a page name. So once you're here on this page, type in your first page name. I will type in something random for now. Then click on Continue. And as you can see, we're now in the editor. Here, you can select each and every part of the template and then edit it according to your preference. On the left panel, you have all of these options. So, for example, if you want to change the text, you can select this entire text and set the type of your text, such as Heading 1, Heading 2, and then you can also choose a font from all of these options available. After that, you can go over to this color section of the font and choose a color for your text. Now, let's go back. Here, you can set the text size, line spacing, and break margin. Not to forget these basic features on the bottom. Just go through them and make your desired changes. Here, if you click on this link option, you can select any of these options for your link. So go through them and choose one if you're adding a link. Now, let's go back. Here, you have some more options to set the position of your text. And over here on the top, you also have this AI option. Then, you also have an animation option as well. You can choose to animate your text using these options. Then, if you go over to a certain button, you will get to see all of these options to customize your button. You can set the size of your button from small, medium, or large. Then, you can align the button using this option on the bottom. You also have this brush option where you can see all of these features you can use. Not to forget the animation for your button as well. You can go to this Click Event option and then set this up according to your preference. And as you can see, this one is set as a pop-up. you can also click on Create New and then customize this from scratch. So once the pop-up appears, you just click on whichever section you want, such as the form. And as you can see on the left, we have the option to edit the form. And currently, we have this email field. If you go over to Fields, you'll be able to see this option to add a field. Click on it and you can see all of these options to choose from. And as you can see, once you add a new field, it gets automatically added onto your pop-up. So go through this and add as many fields as you want. Then check it out and make sure it is as you require. Then, on the left panel, you also have this option for actions. Under the Send the Visitor to section, you can select from any of these options. And here on the integration section, you can add a new integration. You can also select more services and you will be taken to the All Integrations page. Give it some time to load it up. And as you can see, all the integrations available are shown here. Go through this and select the ones that you want. Now, if you scroll down further, you can see integrations that are powered by Zapier. Zapier gives you a lot more options to choose from. And as you can see, they have all the big names that you can connect. So go through the list and choose whichever ones that you want. You can also request an app if required. For now, let's go with this. Here, you need to put in the public key, account ID, private key, and account name, then click on Connect in order to connect the integration. So now, let's go back. Here, let's cancel this. After that, just click somewhere on the screen. Now, if you hover over this section, you will get to see this purple section on the left. Here, if you click on these three dots, you will be presented with additional options like these. If you click on Edit Section Settings, you will get this pop-up on the left panel. From here, if you want to change the image, just click on Choose Image. After that, you can use Image Generator or upload your own images. Here, just drag and drop your image or click on Select File, then choose the image from your device. Then, click on Open. And as you can see, the image is now being uploaded. Give it some time to finish uploading. So once it's completed, you will get to see this check mark. Now, just click on My Uploaded Images on the bottom right. After that, you'll be able to view and select the image that you just added. So click on Insert Image and it will be added onto your lead page. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Now scroll down through your page and you can click on the three dots for this section as well and select Edit Section Settings. Here, you can add a new image as well as a video. Then, scroll down and you will get to see all of these options in order to customize this section as well. Keep scrolling and check out all the settings available. And once you're done editing, click on Preview on the top right. After that, you'll be able to get a live preview of your newly customized lead page. You can even click on the buttons and they will be functional. This way, check out all the parts of the lead page to make sure everything works just fine. You can publish your page by clicking on Publish on the top right. For now, we will exit Preview and go back to the dashboard. So here, after landing pages, we have sites. This is where you can create a website. Then, we have the blog section. You need to upgrade your plan in order to use it. And over here, you have conversion tools. First one is pop-ups. You can click on Create a pop-up to create one. Then, we have leads. This is the section where you will be able to view all of your leads. To export the leads, click on Export Leads on the top right. You can use the search bar here or use these options to filter through. Then, we have brand. So here, you can set your brand color by clicking on this plus icon. Then on the right, you can also have custom fonts. After that, we have images where you can upload or generate image. Next, we have scripts and integrations, which we checked out before. After that, we have domains. This is where you will have your domain and all the domain settings. You can even connect an existing domain by clicking on this button on the top right. So that is the Leadpages tutorial for beginners.